Hello my dear viewers, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change font in MS Word using shortcut key. For that, please go to File menu at first, then Options, Customize ribbon, then click on Font. Keyboard shortcut, Customize, click on it. Here you have to select the font option. Here is fonts, please click on it. Then you have to select the particular font. I am here going to select Times New Roman font. That is very needed for me. I am selecting Times New Roman. Then I am selecting the shortcut key. For my keyboard, I am pressing Ctrl 1. For assigning the shortcut key, please click here, Assign. And I am using another font, Bangla, Sutoni MJ. At first select it, Sutoni MJ. Then I am setting the shortcut key from keyboard Ctrl+2. I am clicking on it, Assign. Then I am closing the button. Then click OK. Here, Times New Roman. I am writing here Bangladesh. Then if I like to use Bangla font Sutoni MJ like this, for my keyboard I have to press Ctrl+2. See here, it has already been changed. I'm changing the keyboard. Then I am writing Bangladesh. Then if I like to use Times New Roman font from my keyboard, I have to press Ctrl+1. See here, it has been changed. Times New Roman font. Now let me write something. Again Bangladesh. Okay, in this way you can change any font using shortcut key. Thank you very much. Thank you everybody.